Hello friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel, Math for Beginners, Arithmetics. It is class 21, proportion. Now we want to define the concept of proportion to equivalent ratios is called proportion. If A over B and C over D be two ratios, then A over B is equal to C over D is called proportion. Here A into B is means and product of means. Product of means and C into B is product of extremes. We can write as A column B, C column D, or A by B is equal to C by D. Example, 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 6 is a proportion. Or we can write 1 column 2 3 column 6. Every proportion has 4 parts. A, B, C and D. How many parts we have? We have 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If one of them be unknown, we can find the unknown part. We can find unknown part by cross multiplying. Cross multiplying means A by B is equal to C by D. We multiply these things and we multiply A, B by C. It calls cross multiplying. Example 1. The ratio of boys to girls, the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 8 colon 7. If there are if there are 40 boys 40 boys, now how many how many girls are there in the class? Here it is an easy way. We want to solve this question. We have uh, two parts, one girl and boys. Girl, boys and girls. How many boys we have? It is unknown. 40 boys. 8 boys we have and 7 girl. Now we have 40 boys. 40 boys. Here is unknown. How many girl we have? It is not clear. Now we want to find x. Uh, think about this. In for 8 boys we have 7 girl. If we multiply 8 by 5 by 5, 8 multiplied by 5, 40. 7 multiplied by 5, it will become 35. Another uh, way we can find boys, girl, girls, 8. For every 8 boys we have 7 girl. It is the ratio. Now 40 boys we have. How many girl? By cross multiplying here we told you x is equal to the number of verses of x we can write in the denominator, and 40 multiplied by 7 right then on numerator by multiply by 7. 40 divided by 8, 8 divided by 8 1 times, 40 divided by 8 5 times. X is equal to 5 multiplied by 7, 35. 35 divided by 1, 35. It is the solution. Example, next example. Ahmad can make 40 cakes in 6 hours. How many cakes can he make in 15 hours? solution cakes time. Here Ahmad can make 40 cakes in 6 hours. How many cakes can here cake is unknown. How many cake he can make in 15 hours? Now if we want to find x equal to the number of opposite x come to the denominator, and these two unknown numbers multiply and write on numerator. 70 14 divided can divided by 2, divisible by 2. 6 also divisible by 2. 15 divisible by 3, also 3 by divisible by 3, 1. 15 divisible by 3, 5. It is equal to 5 multiplied by 7, 35.